Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be creating this makeup look here. Before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to say that we do have a sponsor for today's video. So the first portion of today's video is kindly sponsored by Be Kind. Basically, it's a wee jewellery brand all about bees and saving the bees. And it was created with the mission to help and protect bee colonies around the world. With every purchase made on the website, they're actually to donate a wee portion to developing bee colonies and providing them with the best possible conditions. And they were obviously kind of to let me select 4 pieces of jewellery on the website, and all the jewellery and packaging and everything is all very eco-friendly and all fully recyclable. I have been a wee bit naughty, I have already opened it, but I basically left everything the way I kind of got it, but everything is honestly so cute. So obviously the jewellery is bumblebee themed, bee themed, which I love it, and that's obviously what inspired today's makeup look as well. But they also have sunflower themed jewellery as well, which I think is just super cute. The wee jewellery pieces come in these wee eco-friendly recyclable cardboard boxes. How cute is that? Like seriously, how cute is that if you're actually gifting this to somebody, or even like a wee present for yourself or your friend or your mum or whoever. Basically just like a wee letter in it to say thank you for your purchase. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving bees and helping them develop colonies safely. We hope that your products not only put a smile on your face but also remind you of the good cause that you are now a part of. The first piece I'm actually going to show you is I actually got this for my mum to actually give to her because she will absolutely love this. Well, I've actually already showed her it and she's absolutely obsessed, but I was like, you're not allowed to touch it, you're not allowed to have it just yet because I have to obviously film this video. But this is the crystal sunflower necklace, and it is absolutely beautiful. So that's obviously how everything will come packaged. I'm not too sure if you can see or not, but the wee sunflower kind of spins. It's honestly so adorable. So I have everything up on the website here because I don't want to miss or take anything out, but it just says here that wear your necklace with pride knowing that a portion of your purchase is donated to saving bees. This incredibly unique necklace serves a symbol of strength, happiness, health and vitality and prosperity, making it the perfect gift for the sunshine of your life. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. This has a really nice wee fine gold chain, and it just has the wee diamante crystals as the wee sunflower. Got myself a ring. This ring is so cool. So this is the honeycomb ring. I'll obviously do like wee inserts of the jewellery so you can actually have like wee close-ups of them and everything, but this is stunning. So obviously it kind of just speaks for itself. It's just a honeycomb style ring, and as you can see it's not like the whole way around. It has like the wee opening here, so it is adjustable, so it's going to be like a one size fits all. Also just says here that it's handmade out of brass with 100% real 18K gold plating, and it is nickel and lead free. So I'm saving my 2 favourite for last. This is the honey drop ring, but I just think this is stunning. It's so unique. I love like the honey drip effect with the gold. I love like the wee bee at the top. I just think this is super cute. Then lastly, wait till you see this earring. Wait till you see this earring. Now you see with the bumblebee collections, they have a bundle where you can get obviously the ring, the earring that I'm about to show you now, and a necklace. This is the honey drip earring, so it's basically a set of 2. I'll give you a wee bit of a close-up. So this is just like the one wee earring, it's just like a wee base stud, whereas we have this one here. Obviously you'll be able to understand it a wee bit more in the try on clip, but how class does that earring not look? Honestly, so it's just like your normal wee stud, and then your lobe obviously goes in here, and it's just like a literal honey drip off the ear. Mate, when I seen this. Yeah guys, that's all of my wee pieces I wanted to show you. Please do go and check them out. I will have everything linked listed down below in the description box, and they were also kind enough to give me a 20% off a discount code for you guys. I do really think it is honestly such a nice wee idea and such a nice wee touch, and you know me, I absolutely love jewellery, so knowing that it's going to a good cause is just such a nice feeling. But it just says here on the website that over the past few years we have partnered with many organisations that help our buzzy pollinators. Every customer customer at Be Kind Shop directly contributes to our mission and supports these organisations. So they obviously have other wee charities, like non-profit charities for this as well. So far, all the customers have helped us plant, restore and preserve over 50 acres of flowers across the United States and abroad. But yeah guys, of course, thank you so much to Be Kind for sponsoring the first portion of today's video, and it was also inspired by today's makeup look as well. I just wanted to do something really fun with yellow, a wee bit of black somewhere. Didn't really fit the black in somewhere, but the lashes can cover for that. So obviously, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off on my base makeup. So I'm going to be taking this wee primer here. It's from Etude. It's kind of like a Korean skincare brand, and it's the Glow On Lucky You Lucky Me primer, and it's actually really cute. It's like Tom and Jerry themed. I do apologise if I sound really nasally this morning. I just feel like I sound really weird. So I do apologise. Ooh. Oh, that honestly feels so nice. I absolutely love primers like this. I just love primers that are just so hydrating and they just feel like a moisturiser on the skin. But it is kind of like a clear jelly liquid, but it has like wee beads of radiance. You know, like the wee radiance balls or radiance beads that you get in some products? That's what it has inside it, which is quite nice. Although I can't really see them show up in the face. Show up on the face! I can't really see them show up on the skin. But yeah, it's quite nice actually. And then for foundation, I'm going to be taking just my MAC Shadow Fix Fluid. I do apologise that I keep using this foundation, but I'm trying to get rid of it because I've had this foundation for such a long time at this point. And I'm trying to just get using it up. So I am. Whoa! Nearly dropped it. But the shade I use is NC30. And then for concealer, I'm taking the Benefit Boing Creaseless or Cakeless Concealer. I'm going to take a wee bit more of that concealer because I really don't need to, and it's unnecessary, but oh well. It's actually such a beautiful concealer. It's such a gorgeous finish on the under eyes. And then to quickly cream bronze, I'm going to be taking my Soul Body Bronze and Balm from COLLAB. I use the shade Medium Dark. See, if you're a beginner and you're really wanting to try out a cream bronzer or cream contour, I really would highly suggest getting this one from COLLAB, because not only is it honestly so good, but they do have such a variety of colours. So usually whenever brands bring out cream contours or cream bronzers, they maybe have like light, medium, dark, or they'll maybe only have like 5 or 6 shades, whereas COLLAB has such a number of different shades. So if you're maybe a beginner or first time at doing something like that and you maybe want to go for a lighter shade just to kind of get comfortable with cream bronzer, you should really try this one. And not only that, also because it's just really easy to work with as well. Like, as you can see, it blends out like an absolute dream. You can obviously blend it out with either a brush or a beauty sponge, but it's just so nice. And obviously because it is COLLAB, it is affordable, and I have had this now for a year and a half. I don't actually know how long, and I do use it all the time, and I haven't even hit pan yet. Like, as you can see, I've made a core dent, but you know, so it definitely is worth the money. I think it's like $15, but if you're getting it over here in the UK or Ireland, obviously with the conversion rate, it's cheaper. Hey. And it just, I don't know, it just looks like so natural on the skin. So it does, like, it's just naturally warmed up like the perimeter of my skin. So I'm just going to do a bit of backing now. I'm going to take the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. I'm going to use a new setting spray. I've used Makeup Obsession setting spray before, but just not this one. But it's the Luna Glow Illuminating Fixing Mist with pearlescent particles. I'm actually going to spritz this on my arm. Just kind of see how glittery it actually is. It's pink glitter. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. Oh, that's nice actually. Yeah, them particles are pink. And the next up for highlight, I'm going to be taking this Pixie highlight, this wee one here. What was going on with my camera? For my blush, I'm going to be taking this wee one from COLLAB. It's one of their Super Shock cheeks blushes in the shade Get Laid. Okay, awkward. But yeah, Get Laid. It's actually a really nice colour. So I actually don't know if they still have this colour on their website. I know that they do discontinue quite a lot of their Super Shock shadows, Super Shock formula like products like this. So if they have discontinued this, I'll maybe try and find another one for you on the website and link it down below for you, but hopefully they haven't discontinued it because it's such a gorgeous colour. Oh my god. See the Super Shock cheek blushes though from COLLAB. Like they are just, honestly, it's so good. The formula is just amazing, absolutely amazing. Like, it honestly feels as if you have to go in and spend so much time to actually build it up and apply a lot of product to actually build it up and everything, but that's what I kind of like about it. I love the fact that you can have the freedom to build it up if you want to, and the fact that it's not just really intensely pigmented straight away and you kind of have to be careful and cautious around it. I love the fact that you can really customize it and like build it up if you want to have it really intense, or you can just keep it a nice wee soft flush of blush colour. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be taking this one from Milani in the shade Dulce. Okay, now for the fun part. So I have all these yellow products out here that I'm maybe wanting to use. So I have the Simple Beauty liquid eyeshadow in obviously the yellow shade. It's in shade Master. And then I have the P. Louise base. I have the LA Girl neon liner. I have the Be Perfect Cosmetics Insomnia yellow pigment and the LA Splash Hawaiian Fizz glitter. I don't know that I'm wanting to use yellow, obviously. It's kind of like matching with the theme of like the jewellery and stuff. And then I have the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit palette. Might use this somewhere. I'm not too sure whether I want to use the P. Louise base or the Simple Beauty liquid eyeshadow, because I've obviously used the P. Louise base before, so I kind of like know the formula, I know how they work. The Simple Beauty liquid eyeshadow, I don't know how this is going to be on the eyes. I don't know how it dries. I don't know if it'll crack or crease or how it will look as it dries down. Will we try the Simple Beauty liquid eyeshadow anyway? And sure, if it goes tits up, I suppose it's entertainment for you guys, right? So I'm going to take a load of this on the back of my hand, just like so. So is anybody watching the Pam and Tommy series at the minute? I don't actually know where I can watch it. I would love to watch it because I love Pamela Anderson, I think especially in the 90s. So I'm just going to do my usual. I'm just going to kind of imagine where I want to go with this the whole way around the eye, and kind of map out my shape that I want to go with, and kind of just create a wee bit of a guide for myself. So all I need to do now is just kind of dot the dot, like connect those wee lines together. Just makes it easier. And then of course if you want to go a wee bit higher, you can. If you want to go a wee bit lower, you're kind of screwed. I'm taking the rest of that liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking a wee bit of this because, as I say, I still I'm still not too sure about the formula of it and how it dries, so I'm going to take a wee thin layer of this first of all, and I'm just going to colour that in. Again, like it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect because I'm going to go in with some either pigment or glitter. While this is still tacky, I'm going to go into Hawaiian Fizz, the glitter from LA Splash. Oh, oh, that's actually so nice. Okay guys, so I just went off camera there and done my mascara, lashes, all that good stuff. So I'm going to zoom these in a wee bit and I'm going to be checking the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner. This is the yellow shade, which is screaming. These are really good, by the way, these wee neon liners. And then I'm just going to do a wee bit of mascara just at the outer corner of my lashes. So for my lip liner, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Luxe Lip Liner in the shade Sweet Nothing. So I'm obviously just going to go for a wee nude today because we're going so crazy on the eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Burberry Liquid Lip Velvet in the shade Light Nude. This actually does come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will of course list and link everything I use down below in the description box, and of course another thank you to Be Kind. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring the first portion of today's video, and I will also have the discount code linked listed down below as well, and a direct link to the website, and of course a wee direct link to all the wee products that I did show you at the start of the video. And also another wee thing just before I go, my brushes at the minute are still on sale. Well, they're like 10% off at the minute just for the month of February for Valentine's Day. So basically everything is just listed and linked down below in the description box. But anyway guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.